What's going on, everybody? My name is Chris, and I wanted to just make a little video explaining what you'll see on this YouTube page, Cars with Chung. To make a long story short, I'm currently the editor of Auto News. Basically, why I'm making this YouTube page is because to really just document and throw up all the random things that I do with cars in my day-to-day, because I've always loved cars as far as I can remember, and I've always loved adrenaline rushes, from roller coasters to skydiving, what have you. So on this page you'll get a little mix of that. Basically you'll get point of view drives, you'll get some just exhaust tone videos, you'll get some quick reviews where I'll give my quick take on some cars, because I'm fortunate to be able to drive quite a few cars around, along with just some mixed in day-to-day stuff that I do, because I personally am an auto enthusiast and really love racing anything that has a motor and an engine. And so yeah, if that appeals to you and if you like this content, please like and subscribe to our videos, and we hope that you do like the content. If there's ways we can improve, we're always happy to hear your ideas and would love to make things better. But at the end of the day, I'm making this YouTube channel because I do a lot of random with cars and a lot of random adventures, and so I just wanted a medium to get that out to people in case they wanted to see it. So hope you enjoy, really appreciate the love, and we'll catch you soon.